Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Be sure and click that like button. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure and subscribe and click the little bell so you'll be notified when I make videos. And just to remind you that this is for educational purposes only, information only. I do not give signals. I will share my trades with you, and it's up to you to manage your own account. I'm not suggesting or recommending you take the same trades as I do. You can if you want, but that's totally up to you. So let's jump over and have a look at the chart and see what we're looking at here. And before we look at gold, I might go over and look at NASDAQ. Oh boy. Hey Alex, so you're trading NASDAQ now, eh? Okay, join the rest of us here on NASDAQ. Been pretty crazy, NASDAQ today. I tell you what, this is the opening of the Shanghai Singapore market, this green candle here, and then we got a rejection there, started to go down, so I thought, well, we're going to go short today. And so I took a trade right in here, and it went down and went down, went down, went down to the pivot point, and then it rejected that support level. So I had 4 good trades, small lots. Took the first one, then added to the winner, and kept adding to the winning trade as it went down, and then I got out of everything here with the at the level. Thank goodness I did that. Because it all just went away. Just turned around, did a complete reversal. And I would now be in profit if I had hung on to that for like 3 hours. But I didn't. So it's all good. All good profit today on the NASDAQ. Hey Jenny. It's been a while. Yeah, it has. Thanks for joining in again. Don't forget to click that like button, guys. I appreciate it. And we're looking at NASDAQ right now. NASDAQ has started down again, but it's really been very sideways. Started up with the opening of the market, then down, then back up, then sideways, then up, then down. A real roller coaster today. Not even trading. I was lucky. I was not lucky, but fortunate that I did see this downward move, a very big momentum candle, a bearish engulfing candle there. And then I got 4 good trades before I got out at the support level here before it reversed. Oh, so you're still short on that, Alex? Hey, okay. Yeah, you might be in good shape now. 28,666, and we're at 28,660, so you're in a little bit of profit now. It might be good getting in here after all of this nonsense, this roller coaster sideways stuff. It might start down now with the Tokyo close that we're looking at, the Tokyo lunch run, and then the Europe Open in about 30 minutes from now, 35 minutes. So you might be okay. That's all that I'm going to do for today on the NASDAQ. Just feel for it. Some days it really moves very well. Once it starts, it goes really good into profit. It did that on Friday. Back here, you see we had a good run in the Asian market. Really good run in the Asian market. But it doesn't do that every day. So you gotta keep your eyes on the chart. Sit on your hands. Protect your capital. Oh, Japanese bank holiday today. I forgot about that. Yeah, you're absolutely right. So maybe that's why we're seeing that crazy sideways movement. Absolutely right. Thanks for reminding me about that. And let's go over and look at gold. Let's see what we got here on gold. Okay. I've got 2 trades open on gold. I went short here. Okay, you see this candle here went up and broke above the previous day high, and then it rejected that level. I watched this first candle here. It was a rejection of that previous day high, and then I went short on this candle here, and I put my stop loss above the pivot point. You can see right there. And then after I went short, the only thing on the menu was a candlestick sandwich. And for 2 hours, it just went sideways. But now it has started down. So once this got into profit and it broke the trend line there, I took another trade right here. I added to the winning trade right here. So I have 2 trades open on gold. And let's see how that progresses. It's gone a little bit quiet now. This is the on the hour, the top of the hour candle. And now it's gone a little bit quiet. Let me just see what happens. No, I have 2 trades open. Now, did you understand what I just explained? I have 2 trades open on gold. I went short on this one. The stop loss is right there. And I just sitting on my hands here, doing nothing. And then it went into profit. So I added to the winning trade right here. And now that trade is also in profit, I believe. Let me have a look on my phone here. Yeah, both trades in good profit. I'll just keep that phone where I can see it. I might want to bail out of one of these, but looks okay so far. Hey, Howard, there you are. How's it going today? Did you re-enter NASDAQ? Let's look at NASDAQ, see what's going on here. You were long on NASDAQ. That's not going to be the direction today, I don't believe. It's hard to say because we're just getting this roller coaster in here. But now it's gone bearish for the moment. I had 4 good short trades in here. I went short here on the NASDAQ and I bailed out of all of those when it rejected the support level, the pivot point. Let's go back over and look at gold. Okay, it's going up a little bit. I this first trade here, guys. I've already moved the stop loss below break even, so I cannot lose on that trade. And let's just see if it'll keep going in my direction. Looks like it wants to, eh? And what about oil? Oil is not doing anything today. Look at that. Uh, Really big candlestick sandwich. You could call that a foot long. Nothing at all. It did get up earlier yesterday, I believe, to, no, this is today. I don't know why that's showing today. Well, we're getting that dividing line there. Anyway, it was up to almost $85 and now at 83, just below $84. But not doing anything, oil. What's the DXY doing? Dropping. Well, now starting to come up a little bit, but so it's very quiet in the market, probably because, as Alex just pointed out, Japan is on holidays. So no trading in Tokyo. So two short trades on gold, one right here, and the stop loss is at break even, and then this trade here, and that's the stop loss for that one right there. Does any of you guys have a trade open? You've been watching WTI to fill the gap, but sideways. Yeah, it's just a candlestick sandwich. WTI doing nothing today. I thought you weren't trading WTI, Howard. Too hard to figure out. And Alex has a trade on Nasdaq. Let's see how that one's doing. Oh, you're in profit now. You got in at 2866. You got in right here, so you're in profit now. But it's gone very quiet, a little bit quiet. And gold not doing anything. And I've got my take profit down here for gold at 39.92. It's been lower than that today, but I didn't want to put it right down at the bottom. I can move it later. But this is a nice support level right here around the 39.90 zone. You trade only for you today, okay? Yeah, you guys watching, don't forget to click that like button. I do appreciate it. I hope you had a good weekend. By the way, you know I'm a movie buff. If you want to see a good movie, go and see Odyssey. Really good movie. Matt Damon is a really good actor. Sawadee Cobb, Dong Ji Chi. Yeah, I saw Odyssey on Saturday night. I like Matt Damon. He's a really, really good actor, but everybody in the movie is really very, very good. It's a good story, good action, good drama, and not too long, only about 2 hours. I might go see it again, actually. It's a really good movie. So now gold is taking a little bit of movement there. Going well into profit. This is looking great. Nasdaq did not work out for me this morning. I got some good trades in here, but I was hoping to hold that for a longer run. Really let the profit run to lower prices, but it didn't do anything. So I bailed out of those Nasdaq trades here, all in good profit. But I sure would have liked to have let that run more, but it didn't. So I got out. And now Alex almost 20 bucks in profit. Gold making a good run here. This is my first trade when I saw a break above the previous day high. Yeah, that's PDH, previous day high. and then it rejected the higher level. And so I watched this first candle. It started to confirm the rejection. The trade hit. And then after I took the trade, it went sideways for nearly 2 hours. Another Just looking at I don't know that this is going to go down much further. Seems to be bouncing off of that level there. I'm just talking to myself, guys, looking at my MT5. And it looks like we got kind of a support level there. Yeah, resistance here and resistance there. And yeah. Where these other candles kind of hang around for a while. And now it's bouncing off of that. What is that? 4010. So it might not keep going down. One more minute on this candle. Yeah, I get it, Alex. It takes a while to get, build a relationship with the asset. You just gotta, I've been watching it for 3 or 4 weeks, got my trend line set up and everything on it, and try to see see what time it moves and how it moves. And I know that Raj, who is usually here, he does well with Nasdaq. So I've only been trading gold for the last 18 months, and I've been talking about adding another asset to my portfolio. And now I was looking at oil, I looked at platinum, but I'm going to go with Nasdaq. I'm going to trade this every day on a regular basis, just like I do gold. But it just takes time to get familiar with it. Yeah, Howard, there's a lot of professional traders, long-time traders that won't trade on Monday or Friday. What they say is Monday is when we set the trend for the rest of the week. And then Friday, I know you don't like Friday, give back day, you call it. And now it's rejecting this support level that I put in here. Well, that's interesting. I didn't have that level in there until I saw this kind of a doji here. So I might bail out of my second trade. The first trade is in uh, stop losses at break even. And I might bail out of this one in just a minute. And stochastic looks like it's starting to turn up. And we're at 20 minutes to the hour. I'll let this candle finish first and then I'll make a decision. Oh, it's another 8 minutes on that candle. Let's see. Got a higher low so far. Kaku. Tell you the indicator name. What indicator? The only indicators I have on the chart, this yellow line here. This is a 8 EMA, exponential moving average. And then I have my trend lines. Okay, the trend lines is a top-down analysis from the monthly chart. I start at the monthly chart and draw the trend lines, then I go to the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and now the 10 minute. These go all the way back to the monthly time frame. So that's the indicator you have there. And then the other indicator is pivot point and support and resistance. This is the, you can see here is the pivots. It's called pivot point standard. And that's the one I use. It's very reliable. See if I can show it in my indicators here. Pivot point standard. Where is that? Right there. Pivot point standard on TradingView is free. And then the other line I have, this is the previous day high. This is from Friday. Previous day high from Friday. And then of course we have the previous day low from Friday, way down here. And then as the day progresses, I also draw in my support and resistance. I have a level here. It was back here also. A level there where the candles kind of hang around, and then a level here. So I draw that line in there, and now it's bounced off of that, and it's hesitating here on this next candle. And that's about it as far as indicators. What I use is a trend line strategy. That's the green line is the upward trend line, and the red line is the downward trend line. And if it breaks below this green line, then I go short. And that's what happened here. I added to a winning trade. You got 30 points on your NASDAQ. The level of EMA is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 EMA. I have that on all my charts. I've used that 8 EMA for 10 years. Now, if you guys want to join my Telegram group for traders, I have a chat group for Telegram for anybody. Everybody's welcome. There's no charge, no selling. There's the link. Just click that link and you'll be in the Telegram group. Or if you want to message me directly, my Telegram ID is at RickRayFX. So it looks like it might break that support level, but not yet. Looking better now. Another 4 minutes on that candle. Okay, Alex, yeah. For the clarification there, the Telegram chat group is, I don't give signals. I don't give signals on YouTube or Telegram or anywhere. Okay, it's just a community group. You share your trades, you chat, you ask questions. I post about the news on a regular basis, daily, and nobody trying to sell anything in the group. That's not allowed. If you do that, I'll kick you out. I mean, I would ask you first. I would, you know, I don't just go around kicking people out. We never have a problem in this chat group. It's all a good bunch of people in there. Some experienced traders and some that, beginners also. Sometimes it's very quiet. Sometimes it gets exciting. Depends on the depends on what's happening in the market. So this is one, two, three candles in a row. It hasn't broken that level. At 4010. Oh no, it's 404008. It's trying, but the sellers just don't have the momentum. They lost their get up and go. Their get up and go got up and went. So I'll stick around here for a few more minutes till the European session opens. Did you close out your NASDAQ trade, Alex? Let's go look at NASDAQ. Yeah, it hasn't been below this pivot point yet today. I mean, it did come down but went back up and kind of got close to it, but hesitating. The sellers have disappeared. So I assume that maybe you closed your NASDAQ trade. Okay, now we're getting some action here. Now it's breaking. Probably going to go at least down to the pivot point. Hmm. Yeah, you can get the. Are you still holding the Nasdaq? Okay, that's good. Yeah, you can get the PDL on the Nasdaq. Best loop. There you go. Top of our- Let's go look at the Nasdaq. And there's the previous day high and previous day low. Previous day low is 28,217, and the previous day high is 28,955. You can see back here that was Friday. and it's still going down. So back on gold. Now, according to look at Nasdaq, according to my trendline strategy, I could have gone short right here at 26.41 after I get a break below and a close below the trend line, and then I would be in a little bit of profit now. But I already have two trades on gold open, so I didn't want to add any additional trades. And I had four good trades, four profitable trades with the Shanghai Singapore Open. Now, so Alex, have you read that book, Best Loser Wins? That is the best book a trader can read. Absolutely. It's all about mindset. No charts, no strategies, all about mindset. Now getting a little bit more hesitation. I wonder what Europe will do. Will Europe take it back up or keep going down? Oil is not doing anything, eh? Look at oil. No, it's still doing nothing. Came up a little bit there. What's the DXY doing? DXY going down. That means gold should go up. Usually gold and US dollar will go opposite directions. Very rarely you'll see them go the same direction, but it can happen. But normally they go opposite directions. And gold is going up and DXY going down. Yep. Progress is going on. Oh, progress. Whoa, look at this. Hey, NASDAQ. Yeah, you're killing it, Alex. Well done. Super, super trade. You got in it right here, 666. That will give you 666. And now you already have 57 points. But this is a pivot point, and it stopped over here, stopped over here. Might not break below that. Yeah, that might be all that gold is going to do for this session. Another 3 minute, 3.5 minutes on this candle. I might bail out of this one. Yeah, bullish engulfing looks like maybe. Yeah, the buyers have jumped in, or maybe not. Oh, let's see. Always needing to wait till that candle finishes, eh? Now that candle coming back down, eh? How about that? Just went up to get close to the 8 EMA, and you'll see that's what it does a lot. Here it came down, went up, just get close to the 8 EMA and came down. Same thing here. You just get close to the 8 EMA, come back down. The 8 EMA is dynamic resistance. So 1.5 minutes till Europe opens. Let's see what they're going to do. I see somebody just joined the Telegram group. I don't know who it is. There's no name there. Oh, Kaku. Kaku just joined the Telegram group. Now this, what was support has now become resistance. Look at that. Right there at 4008. It was support here. Oh, now it's support again. Hey. Support and resistance right here at 4008. Looks like that might be all she wrote. Okay, Europe is open now. And maybe they just wanted to touch that 8 EMA and go back down. We will see. Sit on our hands and wait. Yeah, most of the time. You see, like here, the 8 EMA, it's not doing anything. You're getting this sideways movement. But then once the move starts, comes down, provides support, provides support, support, support. And then you get that sideways movement. Okay, it breaks below. Then we have resistance, 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 resistance. It's very good for that. Very accurate. But occasionally it will break one side or the other. I mean, because everything moves up and down. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. That's what happened just here, just now. Now 4008 is our support level. Yeah, I read that this morning. Spain. I'm really surprised. Hey, I think a lot of people are surprised. Argentina was, I think they were the favorites. Eh? I would love to watch that, but it's 2 o'clock in the morning here. I'm not going to stay up all night to watch soccer. So now the World Cup is done and dusted. That's all finished. So I'll stick around. Let's see what this candle here is going to do. Another 6 minutes to go on that one. Maybe we'll play some music in the meantime while we're waiting to see what Europe is going to do. You can't always tell by the first candle, but let's see what action they might be taking. They're going up with that. What's the DXY doing? Yeah, see? DXY going down now. And oil's still not doing anything. Oh, oil's starting to go up. Okay. Starting to finally make a move. Somebody rattled their cage. And that should mean that gold will go down. But not yet. Spain got ball and money. They're the world champions for another 4 years. So it looks like the 8 EMA is playing out now as resistance, and gold's starting to come back down. Yep. So it looks like Europe is going to go to lower prices with gold. What is NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ still hasn't broken below the pivot point. So not too much going on, actually. Not any big moves. We have our low in the Asian market, 39.82, and our high today, 4028. Almost a $50 difference, $45 difference. Kind of an average move. See what that looks like on the 1 hour chart. Really pretty small candles. Trading in a tight range, actually. Looks like big moves on the smaller time frame. So we have another 1 minute and 30 seconds on this first candle, and it's a bullish candle, but it's hit resistance on our 8 EMA. If it's going to continue bullish, it needs to break above and close above that 8 EMA. Yeah, we're getting a little bit more momentum here. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ not doing anything. It just came down to the pivot point, and that's about all it wanted to do. Okay, now falling away from that resistance. Hard to say. So I'm still in these trades, and if this will go down a little bit more, then I'll put this other one with a stop loss below break even also. In fact, I might go ahead and do that just now. I don't like to put it too close, because sometimes you get a pullback, it hits the break even, and then goes in the right direction. Now our second candle starting. So we got this support level here, horizontal 4008. We haven't seen a definitive break below that yet. It was below that earlier today, but if we're going to see lower prices, it needs to break that and keep going, at least to the pivot point of 4,000. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and close out. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that like button. And if you got any questions, you can get me on Telegram and share your trades in Telegram. Don't be bashful. All kinds of experienced and beginning traders in the group. So I hope you have a good day wherever you are in the world. I'll see you again same time on Wednesday. I cannot be here tomorrow, Tuesday. I have a little bit of traveling to do tomorrow, so I won't be able to be here on Tuesday tomorrow. But I'll be back again same time on Wednesday. Okay, have a good day. I'll see you again next time.